Oh my god, hi angels. I am back again. Oh my god. So, do you like this little area changing? I brought you all to my siphoning and kicking and relaxing areas. My skin feels so soft right now, like a baby's has nothing in front of my skin. That's how smooth I feel right now. I'll show you how I achieve this. Snatched. That's right. I said snatched. That's how I achieve this snatched, so soft skin. It's just amazing. So I'm gonna go and pop in my headband, and if you guys want to keep watching how I achieve this beautiful, once again, snatched skin, then keep on watching. Okay. Coronavirus! So now that I am back with my headband on, as you can see, I popped her in. It's time to snatch. It's time to get this skin snatched all the way up to Jesus. So, I just shaved, so let me do a little pre-research on skincare for your face. It's really a delicate area, so you do want to take care of it and avoid touching it as much as you can. Corona or no corona, you do not want to touch your face. Let's get into this video. Okay, so today, and I literally just said, do not touch your face. How I take care of this baby right here, because this skin right here, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's so soft. It's so appealing. It's so gorgeous. And I can keep going, but I'm not. Anyway, so how I start is I get this aloe spray, which you can buy anywhere. I literally got this from Marshall's. And I'm just going ahead and spray my face all over just to give it a nice, beginning moisture texture. And it smells so good. Oh my god, I am wet. I love saying I'm wet because I'm wet right now. Look at this. Wet. From head to toe. Wet. After you let it sit in a little bit and be in your skin, and I just said don't touch your skin, and I just keep touching my skin. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is after I make me wet, because we love being wet, I'm gonna get my Glam Glow skin mask, as you can see. Okay, also, I don't know if you ever or never use Glam Glow. It really smells like pineapple to me. In a good way, like a good pineapple. By the way, I will definitely 100% go out in the club with a mask, with just a face mask like this. But I have literally gone on the street with a face mask. I was in a rush to go somewhere, and my skin was just so dry, dry, girl, baby girl, coughing. And Basil, cut the cameras. I'm leaving. Okay, now that you officially look like Tin Man, so after you look like Tin Man's ex-man, hello, now it's time for you, because you have 30 minutes to kill, either to eat some fried chicken, or get smacked, or suck off your man, or whatever. But, still give me 30 minutes, and I'll be right back to remove this with y'all, and continue. So see ya in 30. Now that I am back, I literally had this on for about, 30 minutes, and it's fully dried. I always leave my masks on for longer than they're supposed to, because that is me. Anyway, so now it's time to peel this off. So oh my god, look. It peels off so nice. And then you I don't know, and then you just see skin, and it's just so satisfying. Look again. Ready? I don't know how to explain, but I'm gonna be able to get this. Look again, the way the skin reveals itself. Hold on, ready? I'm gonna do this. Oh, there we go, look. Ah, did you see this under the eye? Look under the eye! That was amazing. Take your fucking bullets out. Okay, let me go remove this whole thing. Okay, no. Now that I have my face cleaned off, oh my god, it feels, once again, smoother than a baby's butt. No, boo-boo, not if I keep touching anyone. It's time to go in with a sheet mask, just to give you back that, whole rejuvenation. Pearl mask, you can pretty much do them every day, so it's great for your skin. Okay, because the other masks, you can do, once or twice a week. Like the Glam Glow I just did, that you can do that once or twice a week. Sheet masks, you can do once a day, because their serum ain't as rich as this, darling. But if you do them every day, they keep your skin nice and moist. I'm gonna get my little rolly roll. I still do not know what it's called. It's like this little thing made out of crystals. And what I do is I just use it to push in the serum and the smaller side to go under the eyes. And I've seen some dumb say you're not supposed to do this. It's not this one. The one you're not supposed to do on top of the mask, it's the one with freaking little needles on it. This one is just made out of crystal. And don't forget to apply some of the extra serum you have on your hand, on your neck. Now, I'm gonna flip this like this. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this Burt's Bee lip. And I gotta moisturize my lips. Okay, now once again, I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna come and remove it and show you the final steps of how I keep this skin snatched. Okay, let me tell you something. Wait right there. Let me tell you something real quick. I'm smacked. Anyway, so I'm about 10 minutes in, so I should have like 5 minutes of this mask left. So what I'm gonna do, like in between those 5 minutes, I'm gonna get again my spray, and I'm gonna go and do this. A good amount. Like you gotta be, you know already. What? And that's in period. Guess who's back in the house? So, I still have my face mask on, but before I take it off, once again, I keep saying the last 5 minutes, but it's not. The last part of my face mask is, I want to get this rose oil, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to go and drop it on top of the mask, like a nice layer. And I'm going to get the rolly thingy again, and just spread it out, all up in there. Oh, get it all in there. Give it a nice and rich moisturization. I'm gonna get my spray. I swear to God, I'm not even lying. This is what I do every time I do my face mask. And then I'm gonna go and make myself wet again. And I'm gonna give myself 5 minutes, and I'll be right back to remove this whole thing with y'all. Alright, after a couple of mixed nuts, I love me some nuts. Dry, but look at this. Cut the cameras once again. But look at this skin. Look how good my skin looks right now, and I'm not even done. To finish this off, what I always do is, I'm going to go in with my face oil, and it has hemp oil plus vitamin E. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go my head backwards, and I'm going to put it on my forehead, and here, and here, and here, and here. A little roller again. And blend it into my face because I don't want it to drip down. Even though I'd love it to let it drip down on me, but not today. You look like the Instagram filter girl. Like the glowy one. Like she looks snatched. Like once again, you can feel like your googs and gags and O's. Oh my God. You can do this literally in the morning before you leave your house. And I don't care. I will literally do it and look glowy and snatched on the street. I'm like, what are people gonna say? Your skin looks snatched? I'm like, here's the motherfucking tea. Okay. And after that, once again, I'm just gonna take the spray, and I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and voila, wee. This is how I get my skin snatched pretty much every day. So yeah, this is how I take care of my skin. Yeah. So if you want to have the shimmy glow, just follow this. Anyway, so this is the end, sadly, of this video. So I will see you guys on the very next one. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you give thumbs up, and I will guys see you in the next one. Love you. Mwah. Bye.